sick of this nigga. This nigga voice sound like a frog when he go to sleep and wake up. Stupid ass.